Hi guys! Kasama ko ang ilan sa mga nagagwapuhang candidate ng Mr. Philippines 2026 and I'm here with
Enzo Guerrero, representing Taguig City.
I'm Coco Morris representing Navotas City.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako naman si Henry Tornea, representing Negros Occidental.
Alright! How does it feel guys na na-meet nyo na isa't isa sa Mr. Philippines press presentation, yung mga co-candidates nyo?
Honestly, it's been real fun. I see them as like my brothers. They made Mr. Philippines journey less serious, and we just have fun behind the scenes. We get to know each other. We learn from each other, and yeah, we treat ourselves like we're brothers. We help each other out. We don't really see ourselves as competition, but we should see our own selves as our competition. So, basically.
How about you?
Kasi ako nakilala ang dalawang kaibigan. Sobrang bait sa akin. At totoo sa akin. Sila yung isa sa nagpapalakas ng loob sa akin. At maraming salamat sa inyong mga kaibigan ko.
Wow! Napaka-sweet naman. I can feel the brotherhood here in Mr. Philippines. And how about you?
Sa akin po, I agree with Coco. Itong dalawa na to, they're brothers to me na eh. And overall, we are 51. 51 kami na candidates. Fortunately, tatlo lang yung titles. So, pero sa akin, it's more on the journey. Especially yung memories that you can create throughout these moments. And one of these moments are especially this day with these guys. Tuwang-tuwa kami lahat, sayang-saya. Kaya I feel like it's the brotherhood and yung mahal yung pinaka-importante dito. Hindi yung sino nanalo or sino yung tatalo. Pinaka-importante talaga yung brotherhood. So, yun ang pag-salamat.
Alright. Guys, aside from having fun to get along with your co-candidates or brothers in Mr. Philippines, what have you learned from this press presentation?
Ano yung natutuwa? Well, that's a great question. Actually, there's a lot of things na may natuto ako. For example, napansin ko na kaya ko mag-usap sa harap ng press kahit maraming tao. Kasi dati nung bata pa ako, hiyain ako. Putol-putol yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero ngayon, professional na. Kasi nga, dinaanan ko na din yung trabaho na yan na to talk with people. And para idalhin ko din dito, I'm happy for that. Kaya, sana lang.
Thanks for sharing. How about you?
Ang natutunan ko dito sa Mr. Philippines, marami akong naging kaibigan. Hindi na ako introvert. Actually, introvert talaga ako. Naging natututo ako dito para magsalita. Nag-enjoy ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Ayun lang po.
How about you?
Thank you so much. I actually learned a lot from this. This is my first time doing pageant, and honestly, I've learned how to be more confident. I've learned how to get out there. I've learned how to be kind, genuinely be kind to everyone. Not just be kind, being plastic, but genuinely get to know the person, genuinely learn from them, and genuinely form a bond and a relationship with them. As you can see from my fellow handsome brothers right here.
Yes. Last thing, of course, promote your social media platforms. Where can they follow your Mr. Philippines journey?
Oh, guys, please all follow my Mr. Philippines journey. My username and Instagram is enzo.guerrino. Please follow me, and may God bless you guys.
How about you?
Follow me in my Facebook, Coco Morris. And my IG is Coco Morris din po. Please vote for me and then support din po. Thank you.
Socials ko po, Instagram, Henry K. Tornea. Feel free to follow, support naman. And not just me, huwag niyo lang ako i-vote. Vote nyo din yung mga kapatid ko dito. Kasi we're all here for one thing, And it's very fun to be in this journey na to with my brother. So, maraming salamat.
Alright guys, best of luck and I'll see you soon again. Yeah.